Find the best kids' toys for Christmas at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best kids' toys for Christmas on the market. Skyrocket Blume doll, add water and see who grows. Unboxing and collectible toys were the biggest trends last year, and they have only gotten more popular over time. They include anything with some element of surprise where you don't know what you're going to get until you open it. 4. Disney Frozen 2 Into the Unknown singing feature Elsa doll. Frozen 2 won't be in theaters until November 22nd, but you can already buy a bunch of official toys right now. All 4 experts we spoke to mentioned some sort of Frozen 2 merch, collectibles, dolls and dress-up costumes. 3. WowWee Pinkfong Baby Shark official song puppet with tempo control. If you have a child, you have probably heard the song Baby Shark an obscene amount of times. Thanks to the song's popularity, you can now buy this shark puppet from the makers of Fingerlings. Yes, it comes in Fingerling version 2. 2. Creatable World Deluxe Character Kit Customizable Doll. Both Byrne and Apple think that Mattel's newest dolls will be something of a runaway hit with parents and kids. They're not Barbie, says Apple, they're customizable dolls so you can create your own characters. 1. Dreamworks Dragons, hatching toothless interactive baby dragon with sounds. Apple and Scribble both told us that Hatchimals are as popular as ever. But from the wide array of sparkly and speckly hatching eggs, they say this combination Hatchimal and Dreamworks toy is the one to keep an eye on.